Before a cruise ship embarks, there is a safety drill. Before a plane takes off, there is an emergency briefing. Would you feel comfortable if there wasn't one? Probably not. We rehearse for emergencies not because we expect the worst, but because preparation protects people. Hi, I'm Anna Dashkevich, a certified financial planner professional and your financial advocate. So let me gently ask you, have you ever rehearsed what would happen to your family if you're no longer around? Would they know where your accounts are, who to call, what insurance policies exist, what your wishes are? It is not about fear, it is about love. Financial planning isn't just about building wealth, it's about protecting the people who matters most. Here's your homework. Organize what your family would need to know. And to help you, I created a resource called What My Loved Ones Need to Know Planning Guide. Click the link below and I will personally mail you a copy. Because thoughtful preparation may be one of the greatest gifts you ever leave behind. If this message was meaningful, please like it and share with someone who can benefit. And I will see you next week.